Hey, Sunshines. So, here you are, your remote work for week 9, that is this week. So we had Monday, Tuesday, tomorrow's Wednesday. Remember, number one priority, finish your assessment. I'm going to start looking at them this weekend, or this week. If they don't look done, I'll check back in on the weekend. But number one priority for Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, finish your assessments. Otherwise, I'm going to grade what you have, and I will mark it as incomplete. And I'll put a note that says, remember, you can come back, but just know that Power School might look a little rough. Attendance by 3 p.m. every day. Current event, so Wednesday, current event, Friday, current event. If you're stuck or confused, use this document. Right now, you're more than welcome to do it in your notebook, or if you want to type it. But this is the same, it's the same process, the same stuff that we do in class for our Do Now for Mondays. On Wednesday, you have your plus and your delta. So for culture, plus, something that was positive or went well. Delta, something that didn't go as well, or things could or should be better if they are changed. Your topic is right here, so remember, 5 entries, so 5 responses. As long as you have 1 in each category, you can get that number any way you want. Your preparedness assessment, self-assessment, same process as global studies. It's the exact same thing, but you do need to have a separate copy for 9th grade academy and for global studies. Lastly, student survey under Friday. There's a video that overviews it. Some of the questions have changed. I went in and edited them, but the general process is the same. So some social studies questions, and then there is a general on the next thing. It won't let me go next though. General class things. There are 3 or 4 questions for that. So fill that out because I'll take it into consideration, and I'll help when I'm trying to figure out how we're going to plan what we're going to do next. So again, Wednesday, assessment, attendance, current event, plus and delta. Thursday, assessment, attendance, preparedness. Friday, assessment, attendance, current event, student survey. All familiar processes, all things you should be familiar with, but as always, let me know if you need any help.